Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're OD, if you're a newbie, thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell before leaving this video so you know every time I upload a video. So, as you guys can see from the title, I'll be doing an unboxing for the Gershion Polygel Kit, which, if I do say so myself, is pretty freaking lit, okay? And it only ran me about $40 to $50. I'll leave all of the details down in the description box, of course, so you guys can check it out. So let's jump into it. So first we're gonna start with the packaging. It's pretty big kit. First of all, let me just start there. And the packaging, I am one that it gets sold on packaging, okay? I absolutely love it. And they did a great job, especially for it to be so inexpensive. So as you can see, it comes with everything you need to start, using the polygel. This here is the manual, and it just tells a little bit about the company, and then it tells you the directions, shows you the directions on how to use it. So basically what it says is we are 8 years in the making. The professional, I'm pretty sure that's spelled wrong, but it's okay, we know what you mean. Professional nail technician, all-in-one polygel kit. So yeah, that's that. I will be doing a demo in my next video, so you guys make sure you stay tuned if you want to see how to manipulate it, how it works out, how I use it. But yeah, so these are the nail forms that came with the kit. I haven't used these. I don't think I need them because it's really easy to manipulate. But all you have to do, put the product in one of these forms, place it on your nail, cure it, pull it out, pop it off, file it. So it makes life way easier and quicker. Get your money, sis. Okay, so it comes with pretty much every size. I'm gonna let you guys just, check it out real quick. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Which I'm really appreciative of because I got one from Sally's and I'm pretty sure it came like with either 5 or 10 forms. I'm pretty sure it came with 5, honestly. But it's good that they, included a little bit more for you for different nail shapes and types because that definitely matters. If my nail techs out there, these fingers come in all shapes and sizes, okay? Okay. Okay, and next they provided a 80 by 240 grit nail file, which kind of lets you know right there that the product is pretty soft. So you don't need anything coarse to, shape it and file it, which is also a plus too. And then y'all, let's get into this brush and spatula. Like, I am obsessed, okay? I use this for everything. I don't just use it for the polygel because it is so convenient. Like, I absolutely love how they really put time and detail into creating something that could be used, over and over without getting ruined. I really wish that some of my acrylic brushes came like this, but it is what it is. And I'm sure you can find them out there somewhere, but I haven't found one that I like yet. But this brush, y'all, is lit, I must say. I've used it a couple of times now because I got this kit a little while ago, but they definitely get 2 thumbs up on the brush, the applicator. Next, we have the top coat. Comes with a top coat and a base coat, which the consistency of is really pretty thick. I have not used the top coat yet, but I have used the base coat, and I really like it. Like, I use the base coat for a lot of things, too. But yeah, you guys, so what I was saying, I'm outside. I've transitioned scenery. So if you hear cars and horns, I apologize, but I'm on my lunch break. But back to the point of the video. The base coat, like I was saying, is actually really good. You know what? I must say, I really like the fact that it doesn't separate, as much. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. If you're not familiar with, gel polishes, they kind of separate on the first coat. It's actually really thick. The consistency is great. But yeah, so now we're going to jump into the actual polygel. Now, I love the fact that they gave us so many different colors. Like, normally in a kit, you may get a few, but you never get, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors, and they're all really good. I didn't do a great job at swatching it because at the time I wasn't ready to use them, and I wasn't sure if the shelf life started after I opened the lid, even though I opened up majority of them. But now, after using them for a while, they are lit. They are 1 ounce. They last 12 months, as I'm showing you right here. And, yeah, they're actually all really good. I've tried every single one. If you guys stay tuned for my next video, I will be doing a demo on how the polygel works. So be patient, hang in there with me, guys. And I really do appreciate you guys hanging in there and still subscribing. I've been gone for a little minute, but I'm back with the jump off, okay? But yeah, so sorry, I'm getting off topic. But yeah, so I'm showing you each color. So the first one I showed you was clear. Then this is actually natural pink. The one before this one was bare skin. And I'll have everything down in the description box, the names of everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys just go ahead and look at each swatch that I show you. It's not really a swatch, so I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm really just showing you the color and not really the consistency either. I'm just showing you that the product is in there, okay? Because I really didn't want to mess up my product. But don't worry, like I said, there is a video coming up right after this video that will show you guys how to use it, if it's pigmented, if it's not pigmented. So don't worry, y'all know I got you, okay? Okay, and I actually said the last one was bare skin. This one's actually bare skin, but I'm gonna say it again. Everything will be down in the description box. And I just want to add, I know this is just an unboxing, but these products are actually very easy to work with as well. So if you're somebody who's just starting out, this would be great for you to practice and, you know, learn how to manipulate product, get control of it. This product actually is really good. I haven't tried another type of polygel just yet, but I do know that this one I will be buying again. I use this on myself. It's so easy if you do your own nails and you know you have trouble doing the second hand. This product will do it for you and look just as natural and durable as acrylic. Now, you know gel isn't as hard as acrylic, but I've worn them. I do hair and nails for a living, and I have toddlers, and they last me a good 3-4 weeks. Now, taking them off is a little bit of a process because you can't really soak them off. You have to file it down and then take it off. That's a process in itself, but stay tuned. I have a video coming up for that as well. But yeah, now this color right here, this last color, y'all, I wasn't really feeling it. I've used it just so I could, you know, do a video. It's like a reddish tone. I'm not sure what that was given, but I really don't like it, honestly. The colors just threw me off. That color just threw me off, but everything else was good. I love the product. I loved how quick it came. I got off of Amazon, like I told you. And it was here, like, no lie. Like, I only Prime everything. I don't know if y'all do that or not, but Amazon Prime is my shit, okay? If it ain't Amazon Prime, I'm not buying it. So, it definitely was worth the buck. I still use the product. I've had this product for about 3-4 months now. And I haven't even put a dent in it, y'all. I'm telling y'all what I know. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. I will be doing a demo of these products. I know my unboxings are a little different because I'm a little different. But again, I thank you guys for staying tuned, hanging in there with me. I'm almost at 1,500 subscribers. I cannot freaking believe that. That is outrageous to me. I'm so grateful and so blessed for you guys. You guys don't even know. Like, seriously. I will try to be more consistent because I have not been so as consistent, especially with the summertime, you know, coming around. My kids were out of school, work. It was just a lot going on over the summer. But you guys, I promise you, I am going to pop out more videos. I have so many videos waiting to be uploaded. So just hang in there with me, y'all. My consistency is getting better. But yeah, so keep on watching. Keep on giving my videos a thumbs up. We're going to get there, y'all, and I'm bringing y'all right with me, okay? Hold me down because I'm holding y'all down. Yep, so until my next video, I will be talking to you guys then. Be sure to like, share, subscribe to this video. Tell everyone you know. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.